This presentation from Spillrite is highlighting the air-operated industrial vacuum designed for the recovery of combustible dust, in this case coal dust, inside a power station. We'll start off with the video of the unit in action. The model of the vacuum is the RDTV 220 RFC EX. Designed for the recovery of explosive coal dust, shown here in location in a power station. The suction hose is anti-static. The vacuum units require compressed air to operate, in this case 220 CFM. The unit can be configured with reverse filter cleaning, which allows the cleaning of the filter inside the drum without removing the power head. The system also comes with a second drum which has a cyclonic separator on it. This allows approximately 98% of the combustible dust to be captured inside the second drum, thereby bypassing the filter and allowing for much longer run times. The combustible air-powered dust vacuum systems produce high vacuum and are designed for the safe recovery of combustible dusts. Pneumatic drum vacuums are very safe in this situation. Pneumatic drum vacuums are powered by compressed air. They do not use electricity. There are no moving parts to wear out, cause friction or create a spark. They can be used in both wet and dry applications. They are designed and manufactured by Spillrite. They have 4 times the power of an electric vacuum. They have a huge 5-metre water lift and a 5-year warranty. This slide here shows the unit in place in a power station with the 2 separate drums. The Cyclone can be seen on the right. The unit uses anti-static suction hose. In this scenario, it's 2 inches, which is 50 millimetre. The model is the RDTV 220 RFC EX by Spillrite Vacuums. Air supply is 220 CFM. Vacuum flow 295 CFM. Vacuum rating 17 inches Hg, also 575 millibars. It can be fitted with reverse filter clean. The Venturi types are reverse. The Venturi quantity is 3 per unit. Maximum suction hose 30 meters or 100 feet. Hose size 1.5 to 2 inches, 38 to 50 mil. Can be fitted with a cyclonic separator. Hose type used is anti-static for combustible dusts. Drums are heavy gauge steel. Filter would be an anti-static cartridge in this scenario. Here the unit is in operation again. And here we see the unit in action at a different power station, recovering fly ash, rocks and pebbles.